My name is Jake Yancey with Track and Wire Ranch. We maintain ownership of our cattle all the way from the time that they're born, all the way to the time that they sell. Electric fencing is really the basis of our whole entire operation. It's pretty much the reason why I can sleep well at night. If my system's set up right, I can test my property when I get there and know if the whole entire thing is secure. The old lead acid batteries that we used to use, we'd see good power early on and then a quick decline as those batteries would decrease. The great part about the lithium battery systems from Gallagher is the amount of power that they're able to punch and the amount that they're able to stabilize and provide consistent power over a much longer stage of that battery life. The ability to clip in a charger directly into those lines really makes things quicker, easier, and so much lighter than older ones. We use them for our cattle operations where we may be powering much larger areas, dealing with such issues as power outages or sometimes even repairs that require us to shut down a small section of the fence.